Our enterprise is a part of the Novosibirsk Drug Manufacturing Holding Company. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP for production of products, a unit for dehydration of aqueous solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, automatic line for packaging tablets into plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and apparatuses. At the end of the year, we carried out modernization and began to replace morally and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief engineer for 10 years and know all the technological processes well. I made the choice of new equipment independently, coordinating it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. In production, they check the ratings of moisture level, melting time, transparency, decay time and dissolution, quantitative composition, melting, hardness parameters, thickness, viscosity. In order for the products to be of high quality and fully comply with hygienic requirements, it was necessary to take the choice of equipment seriously. After a partial modernization, we decided to produce tablets for throat treatment in a group aluminum foil, the composition of which was developed by our Academy of Sciences. What was needed was a compact and safe unit with a simple and easy to understand method of control. The equipment had to work in automatic mode. It was planned to produce group packs of 4 tablets, 7 by 20 centimeters in size. The thin film of aluminum with a layer of heat weldable varnish was supposed to protect the drug from harmful environmental factors. Since I had already chosen a lot of different equipment for our company, I had a little experience in selecting and remained the contacts of some reliable machine manufacturers. I contacted them by telephone to find out if they could produce a batch packaging machine which would meet my requirements. As the main criteria, I specified automatic control, quality stainless steel material of the equipment, the possibility of bulk packing of 4 pills. At first I contacted a company in Germany who offered me automatic machines for bulk packaging, but they specified that the whole process of delivery, customs clearance and installation of the equipment was not included in the price. Delivery could have been delayed and I declined. Then I contacted the company from Russia. She said that they do not make this type of machine, but if we can wait, they are willing to design and manufacture the machine, but it will not be until next year. I was not ready to wait. Another machine manufacturer in China offered me a 6-pack machine, but I was looking specifically for 4. I decided to take a different route and consult with professionals who work in the pharmaceutical equipment supply industry and maybe suggest a different machine option. I looked on the internet for an intermediary from Russia, because I once had a bad experience with equipment supplied by a Chinese intermediary when they brought us a line for packaging powder, but there were no installation documents or technical passport. It took us a long time to set up the line. We consulted with the manufacturers on the phone, although they were reluctant to talk to us. I chose 3 vendors online. I looked at the firm's time in the pharmaceutical supply market, the company's website, and the machine's delivery terms as criteria. All companies I phoned to make sure of the professionalism of managers. A specialist from one company said to wait for 5 minutes, but she never listened to me. I didn't like this attitude to the customer. The manager of another company talked to me politely, asked questions about the necessary performance equipment, the desired production time. After 5 days I got an email from them 10 options for different machines for batch sealing of tablets, and the offer to make a choice on their own. I realized that they did not have a professional approach, and they would not help me in my search for equipment. The last, 3rd intermediary option turned out to be a good one for me. The manager informed me about the degree of readiness of the machine 2 weeks prior to delivery. The specialist emailed a video of our machine. The packaging process consists of vibration feeding of tablets and foil, elimination of splinters, counting, vertical and horizontal cutting, trimming of waste. Fully functional automatic machine, easy to operate. Performs group packing in aluminum foil by 4 pieces. On the aluminum foil was printed the date of manufacture and expiration date of the drug. The machine was controlled by an LCD screen system. 35 days after the conclusion of the contract, we received the machine. The manager provided us with the manufacturer's warranty, technical passport of the equipment, drawings and operation manual. We assembled the automatic equipment for packing tablets into aluminum foil, and within a week we had trained a worker who would be assigned to the machine. This gave us the opportunity to start the production of the co-packaged tablets 2 weeks earlier than planned. In the future, I plan to contact the manager of this company to purchase analytical equipment to be purchased for the production of the drug in gelatin capsules. After communicating with a real professional, I got a little smarter myself. Learned a lot, and am absolutely sure that a good teacher is the one whose words and deeds are not at variance. I checked it out on my own experience.